Finding the best used SUV under $15K has been a massive problem until now. You see, there are innumerable brands out there, making it super daunting to know which one best meets your needs. Fortunately, here at SUV Reviewed, I fully understand the hassle of looking for a pre-owned affordable SUV that aligns with your needs, since I have been in the exact same situation several times. So, without further ado, here is my list of the 7 cheapest yet most reliable small SUVs under $15K in 2024/2025. Watch it till the end to find a wallet-friendly SUV suitable for all your needs. Number 1. 2011 Toyota RAV4. The average price paid for a second-hand 2011 RAV4 ranges from $8,070 to $10,871. This is impressive given that the original MSRP of this SUV varies from $22,475 to $28,785. Ranking number 5 out of 22 in 2011 affordable compact SUVs, the RAV4 is no doubt a worthwhile investment in 2024/2025. It has an exceptional reliability rating and a spacious cargo area that makes it perfect for running errands across the city. Furthermore, the RAV4 2011 boasts a decent fuel economy of 19 to 22 mpg in the city and 26 to 28 mpg on the highway. Its engine options are also great, generating between 179 and 269 horsepower. Moreover, these engines work with 4WD and FWD, plus there is an available V6 engine for speed demons. The only concern for the 2011 Toyota RAV4 is that its safety ratings are noticeably lower than that of its top rivals. Number 2. 2010 Honda CR-V. A used 2010 Honda CR-V costs between $7,612 and $9,664, while the original MSRP runs from $21,545 to $29,745. The 2010 CR-V is recommended because it comes with new updates like the revised engine that produces 14 more horsepower. Moreover, this model is ranked number 1 out of 24 in 2010 affordable compact SUVs. It also has superb safety ratings and its interior is roomy. Rides inside the 2010 CR-V are comfortable as well, making this 5-seat SUV ideal for various activities such as daily commutes and trips to the shopping mall. As for performance, the 2010 Honda CR-V has an engine that delivers 180 horsepower. Fuel economy is good too and stands at 21 mpg in the city and 27 to 28 mpg on the highway. Number 3. 2013 Mazda CX-5. The original MSRP of the 2013 Mazda CX-5 ranges from $20,995 to $28,595, while the average price paid for a pre-owned model is somewhere between $9,330 and $11,005. The CX-5 2013 is ranked number 1 out of 16 in 2013 affordable compact SUVs. It has a good reliability rating and its owners have praised it for its car-like handling. Also, I must say that this SUV has an upscale interior, which in return results in exciting rides across the city. An engine that produces 155 horsepower is beneath its hood. While it isn't the most muscular in class, this engine is responsive and meets expectations. Another reason to buy the 2013 Mazda is a stunning fuel economy rating of 25 to 26 mpg in the city and 31 to 35 mpg on the highway. Number 4. 2011 Kia Sportage. The average price paid for a second-hand 2011 Kia Sportage ranges from $5,820 to $7,446, while the original MSRP starts at $18,295 to $27,295. The 2011 Sportage is ranked number 2 out of 22 in affordable compact SUVs. It has undergone significant changes such as a revised powertrain and a redesigned interior and exterior. Besides, this SUV with 5 seats features a spacious interior and nets 21 to 22 mpg in the city and 25 to 31 mpg on the highway. As for performance, the powertrain produces between 176 and 256 horsepower. The only drawbacks of the 2011 Kia Sportage are rough rides and firm seats. Also, the interior material quality leaves a lot to be desired. Number 5. 2010 GMC Terrain. With an average price paid of between $5,603 and $6,532, a used 2010 GMC Terrain is a nice investment for a budget-conscious buyer looking for a refined, comfortable ride. It ranks number 6 out of 24 in 2010 affordable compact SUVs and has high safety ratings, comfortable seats, and an upscale cabin. Additionally, this Terrain model comes with a 4-cylinder engine that produces 182 to 264 horsepower. As for fuel economy, the ratings stand at 17 to 22 mpg in the city and 24 to 32 mpg on the highway. The only thing that might make you pass this near luxury SUV is the cargo space, which is below what class leaders have. Number 6. 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. The 2017 VW Tiguan has a larger touchscreen than its predecessor. It also offers sporty handling, not to mention a potent turbocharged engine that generates up to 200 horsepower. In addition, this 5-seat SUV has a quiet cabin and high-quality materials. As for pricing, the original MSRP ranges from $24,995 to $36,475. While the average price paid starts at $11,840 to $14,323. But before you make a purchase, you must note that the 2017 VW Tiguan has a number of cons. One is a small cargo capacity and the other is not so convincing crash test results. Also, its fuel economy rating of 20 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway is pretty low. A quick one, if you're finding value so far, please subscribe for exclusive SUV reviews, buying guides, and comparisons. I can't appreciate you enough for your endless support. Number 7. 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevy Equinox 2016 ranks number 2 out of 16 in 2016 affordable compact SUVs. Its original MSRP starts at $22,600 and goes all the way to $31,690. But for just $9,043 to $12,272, you can make it yours. This 5-seat crossover SUV is loved for its smooth and quiet ride on rough roads. It also has roomy rear seats, not to mention an impressive reliability rating. When it comes to performance, 2 engine options motivate the 2016 Chevy Equinox. The first is a standard 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine which delivers 182 horsepower and 172 pound-feet of torque. The second is an available 3.6-liter V6 power plant which churns out 301 horsepower and 272 pound-feet of torque. Also, I must mention fuel economy, which stands at 16 to 22 mpg in the city and 23 to 32 mpg on the highway. Which used compact SUV do you think deserves a spot in this list yet wasn't included? Let me know in the comment section down below so I can include it in the next episode. Also, if you haven't watched part 1 of this video, be sure to do so. It is on the top left side of your screen.